Hi, this is Samyukta. Here comes my week 2 assignment. So the task for the week 2 assignment, the task 1 is like creating two variables, and from that creating a nested list of like this. And if that x and y variables are more than 5, then it will be printed as error on the console. So let us do the code in the Jupyter notebook. Here comes the code task 1. So we are assigning as x and y as integer variables. So this I have given it as dynamic input, and a like where that 2D list, the numbers in the 2D list will be also given as dynamic input. So as in the question, if x and y are more than 5, then it will print error. So if I have used an if else statement over here, so if x and y are less than 5, then it will iterate here. So it will then here it creates an 2D list with the 2D list n with the dimensions of x and y. So here I uses for loop for that. So here I written the code in a list comprehension way. So if for I in like it iterates, first it iterates for the dimensions of x, like for I in the range of x, and then for j in the range of y, it prints like the value of a in the 2D list. So print, and if that x and y is not less than 5, then it print error. So here I'll make it run over here. So we are giving 3 and the value of a, like the value of 1 is like 0. So that is the output, like it is an 2D list. So again I'll run that, and I'll give more than 5 x and variables for more than 5. So it gives an error. So that is the task 1. And coming to the task 2, so here we are again creating a nested list. So now we want to check that x mod y is equal to 0, then we want to assign that a value as 1, otherwise we want to assign that a value as 0. So coming to the code, here is the code for that. Here I have taken a and b variables as x and y, like the dimensions of the 2D list comprehension. So I assigned the 2D list comprehension, like 2D list to the variable m. So here for I in range of a and for j in range of b, then we have taken if else condition that like iterations I plus 1 and j plus like I plus 1 mod j plus 1 is equal to 0, then it will gives 1, else then it will give 0. So here comes like we have taken the range as 3. So for that it iterates like for I in range of a means for I in range of 3, first it will takes 1, and for in the same way for the j in range of b, like for j in range of 3, it will takes 1, it evaluates the value and prints the answer. So here I printed here the 2D list, like print of m. So here comes the answer. And the task 3 is traverse over like we want to see the whole, like we want to traverse that list, given list, and if you find any number like 1, we want to print the index of the list. Actually list begins from like list indexing is begins from the number 0. So here comes that task 3. So I have given list over here, like I have given a dynamic input, like we want to taken the input in the list. So I have given list. So and then I have used for loop for iteration, like for traversing over the list. So here the length keyword indicates the length of the list, like if we have 5 elements, it indicates that length of the whole list. So in the Python, the length is an inbuilt word, so we can use that for the list. So now if L of I means length, the range of length of list, like here the length of list is 5. So length of I, first it takes 1. So list of first it takes 0, list of 0 equals to 1. List of 0 means 2, so it is not equals to 1. So it again comes over the for loop, and next list of next it will take 1. List of 1 equals to 1. Like list of 1 is this one, so 1, so it is equals to 1. Then it will print the index of 1 is, it will print the I, like the index of 1 is 1. So next iteration, so it will check the whole list and prints the index of that 1 in the given list. Thank you.